happy to be back after a long rejuvenating break. And guess what? When we got back, there was a surprise awaiting us. You'll soon see the unboxing of the all-new Canvera album samples, the leader in albums in the industry. Stay tuned, like our video, subscribe, and we'll be here with a lot more surprises for you.
So, here we go, right from unpacking the parcel. All their albums also come beautifully and safely packed to avoid any damage to your product. And voila! We have the main sample piece and some more accents from this year. Canvera albums are not just great only for weddings, but also for other occasions. This is what their premium option looks like. You can even choose your album in portrait mode if you'd like. With a variety of spines to choose from, be sure that your memories will stay alive forever. Almost all their album covers come in hardcover, even with dustproof covers on them. And of course, with the beautiful Canvera bag. There are some nameplates and other options that you can choose from. This even gives us a touch and feel of papers and covers. With a wide range of papers to choose from, sand, linen, velvet, and a whole lot of others in glossy and matte options, you are of course spoiled for choice. Now, here's the real deal. We looked at several options that they have that you can choose from depending on your requirements. Again, all of these are in hardcovers and we really love their ebony collection. So elegant. And you know what's great? They also have an embossing effect so that you don't only look but also feel your pictures. These papers not only make your album look beautiful and high quality, but also are long lasting. So hold on, we're not done here. We still have to look at the plethora of cover options that they have. They have everything from fabric finishes to a jute-like finish to a eco-leather finish, their signature styles, classics, and everything that you may want to find. So now that you have a look and feel of what you're getting into, choose your nameplates, decide your title, and go ahead and make your memories come alive.